Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the mesmerizing world of fashion with none other than the ever stylish and graceful Shilpa Shetty. So, without further ado, let's get started. The actress recently caught everyone's attention with her stunning traditional appearance when she graced the runway for fashion designer Gopi Vaid at a glamorous fashion show. Her mesmerizing lehenga, adorned with intricate designs in a captivating array of hues such as blue, red, peach, and yellow, beautifully contrasted against an ivory base color. The ethnic ensemble also showcased mirror work, embellishments, and an eye-catching tassel on the side, adding to its allure. Completing her look, the actress paired it with a vibrant embroidered strappy choli, featuring delicate shell detailing at the hem. She further enhanced her appearance with colorful hand paintings that perfectly complemented the designs on her ethnic attire. For her makeup, she opted for well-defined brows, smoky eyes, and a nude lip shade, while her tresses were styled in elegant soft curls. Actress Shilpa Shetty took the spotlight as the showstopper for designer Dolly J's latest collection Meraki. The collection exuded glamour, showcasing golden hues and flowing textures. Shilpa graced the runway in a stunning sleeveless cutout dress, adorned with captivating cascades and intricate patterns throughout. The elegant gown was further accentuated by delicate feather detailing along the hemline, while her style was perfectly complemented by the addition of beautiful and sleek diamond accessories. The actress has always been known for her impeccable sense of style and her ability to effortlessly carry any ensemble. Whether it's traditional Indian wear or chic contemporary outfits, she always manages to turn heads. One of her signature looks is the sari, where she often experiments with different fabrics, drapes, and embellishments. She also shines in Western outfits, showcasing her versatility. Here, she effortlessly rocks a glamorous evening gown with intricate embroidery. The form-fitting silhouette perfectly accentuates figure, while the delicate details add a touch of sophistication. On this occasion, the actress opted for a stunning purple printed jumpsuit as she graced the runway for clothing brand Limerick at the Lakme Fashion Week. The strappy ensemble showcased ruched details at the neckline, a captivating cutout pattern at the midriff region, and a figure-hugging fit that beautifully highlighted Shilpa's well-toned physique. To add an extra touch of sophistication, she effortlessly carried a full-sleeved long jacket with the outfit, elevating her overall look. Shilpa's glamorous makeup featured kohl-rimmed eyes, elegantly contoured cheeks, and a rich, dark brown lip color. Completing the ensemble, she wore a pair of stylish pointed heels. The actress' fashion sense extends to her casual looks as well. She knows how to keep it stylish and comfortable for her everyday outings. Take a look at this trendy yet relaxed ensemble. The well-fitted jeans, paired with a chic top and a statement belt, create a fashionable and effortless look. It's all about mixing and matching with Shilpa. Fitness is an integral part of Shilpa's lifestyle, and she never compromises on style, even at the gym. The vibrant colors, breathable fabrics, and trendy design make her stand out even during her fitness routine. Shilpa's stunning red carpet appearances. She knows how to make a grand entrance with her glamorous gowns and captivating accessories. With her poise and confidence, she effortlessly steals the spotlight. Shilpa is a master when it comes to accessorizing her outfits. She knows how to elevate a look with the perfect accessories. Whether it's statement jewelry, bags, or shoes, Shilpa always chooses pieces that complement her ensemble flawlessly. Look at these exquisite statement earrings worn by Shilpa. They add a touch of glamour and elegance to her overall look. Whether it's oversized hoops, intricate chandelier designs, or layered necklaces, she knows how to make a style statement with her jewelry choices. Shilpa's collection of designer handbags is enviable. She effortlessly pairs her outfits with the perfect bag, be it a classic tote, a trendy clutch, or a stylish backpack. It's all about the details, and Shilpa pays meticulous attention to them. She knows that the right pair of shoes can elevate an outfit and complete the overall look. She loves to push the boundaries and try out unique and unconventional looks. Whether it's experimenting with bold prints, unconventional color combinations, or innovative silhouettes, she always manages to pull it off with grace and confidence. The combination of unexpected patterns and textures creates a fashion-forward look that demands attention. She proves that taking risks can pay off when it comes to fashion. The actress is also known for her fusion ensembles, seamlessly blending traditional Indian elements with contemporary fashion. She effortlessly combines ethnic prints, fabrics, and silhouettes with modern cuts and designs, creating a unique and captivating style. In this instance, the actor exudes radiance while donning a white sheer sari from the esteemed clothing brand Anveela. The white fabric gracefully showcases intricate floral prints in delightful shades of pink, orange, yellow, and green, evoking a cheerful summer vibe. Complementing the sari, the actor pairs it with a charming short-sleeved pink blouse. As for accessories, she opts for elegant dangling earrings and a stack of metallic bangles, adding a touch of sophistication to her ensemble. Her lustrous locks are elegantly tied in a sleek bun, adorned with delicate flowers. Keeping her makeup minimal and dewy, she highlights her eyes with shimmering eyeshadow, while opting for a glossy lip color and accentuating her gaze with kohl. The actress effortlessly showcased her expertise in ethnic fashion as she gracefully adorned a stunning bright yellow sharara, proving her unmatched flair for traditional attire. The ensemble, designed by Seema Gujral, beautifully combined vibrant color and intricate mirror work, resulting in a captivating visual harmony. The monochrome outfit was enhanced by a scallop dupatta, adding an extra touch of elegance. She complemented the ensemble with silver oxidized jewelry and completed the look with stylish juttas, emphasizing her impeccable sense of style. Recently, the actress donned a captivating draped concept sari, showcasing vibrant and refreshing summer colors. The off-shoulder attire, designed by Cubic, ingeniously merged elements of the traditional Indian garment with an asymmetrical twist. The ensemble boasted a delightful combination of yellow, orange, and pink hues. Shilpa accentuated the outfit with a delicate, slim belt. While keeping her neck bare, she adorned herself with carefully chosen jewelry, adding the perfect finishing touches to complement her appearance. Opting for a dewy base and glossy lips, her makeup exuded a natural radiance. Shilpa elegantly styled her hair in a simple ponytail, leaving us eagerly anticipating the chance to recreate this remarkable look. In a recent sighting, Bollywood luminary Shilpa Shetty caught our attention in an exquisite creation by Jean-Louis Sabaji. The alluring ensemble was a black body-hugging gown adorned with meticulously embroidered leaves crafted from glass beads, bugle beads, and crystals. Instead of conventional sleeves, the dress boasted elegant hanging beaded fringes, adding a unique touch to the design. She expertly accessorized the ensemble with striking geometric emerald earrings, enhancing her overall look. To complement the ensemble, she opted for captivating cat-eye makeup, exuding a sense of allure and sophistication. The renowned Bollywood actress was recently seen in Mumbai for a photo shoot, and her choice of attire couldn't have been more fitting. Shilpa, known for her impeccable sari styling, seized the opportunity to don a striking ruffled red sari. The ensemble boasted billowy sleeves, intricate embroidery, and a waist chain, exuding elegance and charm. To complement her ethnic look, Shilpa adorned herself with a mang tikka and a decorative necklace, adding the perfect finishing touches. Her fashionable desi ensemble added a touch of allure to Valentine's Day fashion. For the grand finale episode of the reality show India's Got Talent, Shilpa opts for a stunning tangerine gown that showcases her undeniable beauty. The flowy gown features exquisite golden beadwork adorning the back and sleeves, while a plunging neckline, dramatic puff sleeves, and a high side slit add a touch of glamour. She completes her ensemble with shimmering golden heels featuring elegant wrap details and stylish golden stud earrings. Her loose beachy waves effortlessly cascade down, complementing her look flawlessly. With ample mascara, a matte lip color, and perfectly contoured cheeks, her makeup serves as the ideal complement to her outfit, enhancing her overall radiance. The glamorous diva donned a stunning pink sequin sari during the promotions of the film, Nikamma, courtesy of the renowned clothing brand ITRH. The sari boasted intricate sequin detailing throughout, imparting a stylish and captivating appeal to the ensemble. To complement the sari, the actor paired it with a sleeveless blouse featuring a plunging neckline, adorned with shimmering sequins. Keeping her accessories minimal yet elegant, she opted for studded bangles and earrings, allowing the sari to take center stage. Completing her look, she wore glamorous makeup, exuding a radiant and confident aura. On this occasion, the actor chose a radiant sunshine yellow midi dress from the esteemed clothing brand Monochrome. The tube dress featured exquisite tweed detailing throughout, accompanied by a thigh-high side slit, adding a touch of allure to the ensemble. The body-hugging silhouette beautifully showcased Shilpa's well-toned physique. Enhancing the monotone outfit, she accessorized with a layered necklace and a stack of elegant metal bangles. To complement her dress, she opted for a stunning yellow eyeliner, perfectly matching her attire. Her eyes were subtly enhanced with kohl, while a nude lip tint added a touch of natural beauty to her overall look. Mesmerizing in red, the actress captures all our attention as she exudes elegance in a stunning red gown. The off-shoulder ensemble gracefully accentuates her figure, with its body-hugging fit and alluring front slit that adds a touch of allure. Striking a pose, the actress sets new fashion standards for millennials with her impeccable style. The addition of beautiful minimalist diamonds perfectly complements her overall look, creating a harmonious ensemble. Embodying the essence of a sunset dipping into the horizon, the Bollywood sensation mesmerized in a captivating color-block ensemble blending vibrant yellow and orange hues. She confidently spotted a sleeveless crop tank top in sunny yellow adorned with a charming daisy print on the front, effortlessly showcasing her slender torso. Complementing the top, she wore flared pants in a captivating shade of orange, elegantly draping low on her hips. Adding a touch of glamour, she adorned herself with a chunky silver necklace featuring a striking orange pendant. The actress opted for a captivating colored eyeliner makeup look, accentuating her eyes with a pop of color. Her hair was styled in a chic low ponytail, with loose sections gently framing her face. With Shilpa Shetty's bright and radiant outfit, even the sunniest of days are set to become even more vibrant. The actress effortlessly embraced bohemian vibes as she adorned an enchanting gown by Anamika Khanna. The gown showcases whimsical patterns in a delightful array of hues, spanning the entire ensemble. It features a V-shaped neckline with raised collars and intricate embellishments, while the trims are adorned with vibrant red tassel embroidery. The gown boasts full-length sleeves and a pleated, flowy skirt, exuding an ethereal charm. Further enhancing the ensemble, putty embroidery adorns the waist, leading to a flow-grazing hem that adds a touch of elegance. She accessorized the printed gown with statement silver oxidized rings, alongside a captivating heavy choker necklace adorned with precious gems and exquisite kundan work. For her hair, she opted for a side-parted open hairdo with wavy ends, perfectly complementing her overall look. Her makeup choices included bold kohl-lined eyes, vintage black eyeliner, a mauve lip shade, expert contouring, blushed cheeks, a dewy base, and a radiant highlighter that added a luminous glow. Shilpa's eyebrows were flawlessly groomed, completing her impeccable appearance. Against the backdrop of the serene blue sea, she strikes a pose in a delightful ruffled maxi dress adorned with vibrant floral prints. Her ensemble exudes a perfect blend of style and comfort, making it ideal for a beach vacation. To enhance her look, she accessorizes with layered necklaces that beautifully complement the outfit. Tinted sunglasses add a touch of sophistication, completing her chic and fashionable beach-ready appearance. On a delightful sunny day in the Maldives, Shilpa indulged in the joy of frolicking around in a charming floral dress. Embracing the essence of the tropical paradise, she gracefully showcased a tiered maxi dress adorned with captivating floral prints. The ensemble was precisely what the stylist prescribed for a blissful day of lounging on the beach, exuding comfort and style in equal measure. Radiating sheer beauty, she graced the ramp in an exquisite plum sari that effortlessly embodied the essence of the collection. Every element, from the captivating color to the elegant silhouette, intricate structure, and meticulous detailing, was flawlessly showcased in the ensemble. Shilpa flawlessly carried the modern and eclectic piece, which artfully blended the grace of a traditional drape with the flair of a flared lehenga, creating a contemporary masterpiece ideal for the modern bride of today. In a delightful video, Shilpa shares her joyful experience amidst the captivating nature of Kyoto, Japan. The stunning actress effortlessly captivates attention, dressed in a fashionable ensemble. She wears a chic white top with full sleeves and an off-shoulder design, perfectly complemented by a black high-slit midi skirt. Adding a touch of allure to her outfit, she opts for a pair of striking high-length boots, exuding confidence and style. To further enhance her look, she adorns a black scarf, providing an extra edge to her ensemble and accentuating her overall aesthetic. The actress delighted her followers by sharing stunning pictures of herself adorned in a mesmerizing Riti Arneja purple tie-dye co-ord sari set accentuated with elegant tribal embroidery details. The ensemble perfectly showcases her impeccable fashion sense. The knee-high split adds a touch of allure, emphasizing Shilpa's sculpted figure with grace. Complementing her attire, she opted for a pair of silver dangle earrings that gracefully graze her gorgeous collarbone, exuding an air of elegance. Additionally, a set of chunky oxidized bangles adorns her left wrist, adding a hint of boldness to her overall look. Her choice of footwear, transparent strappy high heels, displays her keen eye for fashion and attention to detail. She aptly describes her ensemble as a delightful mix of various styles, showcasing her versatility and fashion-forward approach. The actress exudes sheer elegance and allure. The styling, the makeup, and her captivating pose create a striking visual that instantly grabs attention. She knows how to work the camera and leave a lasting impression. Behind the scenes, Shilpa's photoshoots are a fascinating glimpse into the world of high fashion. From the meticulous hair and makeup to the intricately crafted outfits, every detail is carefully curated to create a captivating visual story. In this fashion editorial, she effortlessly channels old Hollywood glamour. The classic hairstyles, the elegant gowns, and the timeless poses transport us to a bygone era. She truly embodies the spirit of vintage sophistication. She showcases her versatility by experimenting with unconventional makeup, avant-garde fashion, and dramatic poses. It's a testament to her willingness to push boundaries and explore new horizons. Shilpa's photoshoots also often incorporate elements of nature, creating ethereal and enchanting visuals. Whether it's in a serene forest setting or amidst vibrant flowers, she effortlessly merges her elegance with the beauty of the natural world. And that's a wrap on our fashion journey with the ever-stylish Shilpa Shetty. We hope you found inspiration in her diverse fashion choices, from traditional Indian wear to glamorous red carpet looks, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.